Hello friends, welcome back to SMR Masti. Today we will see how to draw a smiley in Scratch. Okay, I'm using my blocks here. Okay, so this is my end result. If you clearly observe, it has drawn a circle in the beginning. After that, two eyes. So total four vowels it has drawn and one arc. So what I've done is, if you see our previous videos, we have a circle program and we have a vowel program. So in this video, what I'm doing is, I'm taking the same circle program and I created one block for the circle. So how to create a block we will see now. In my blocks, you will have an option make a block. So if you click on it, you can define a name for your block and you can click on OK. So I have done the same way and I've created the circle block and I have added the code here. Similarly, for the vowel also I have done the same. Okay. After this, as I need two eyes for the smiley, there is a small change in the second vowel. That change is, if you observe the vowel 2 program here, I have added the X position with a fixed value so that my second eye will be placed correctly. So this is the only change I have done. So let's go into the program now. Okay. So I want to draw the smiley circle in yellow color. So I have added this light yellow here. Set pen size to 55 and I have added the light yellow. Then I have called the circle block. Once the circle is ready, then I have changed the color of the pen to black and the pen size to 1. And now our turn is to draw the eyes for the smiley. So I'm calling the vowel function with 5 and 10 length and width. Okay. So vowel LW. So let's see this program how I have done this. In our vowel video, I have given fixed values here, but now I have given values from my main program. Okay. Then next I have changed the set pen size to 3 and again I have called the same vowel program with length as 3 and width as 5. So one of my eye is done for the smiley. For the second eye, again I have changed the pen size and I have called the vowel 2 function. Let's see what is there in the vowel 2, which is different from vowel function. So here I want to have my second eye in this position. So one extra line I have added in the go to block is adding X position with number 58. Okay. Now the second eye is also done and we are left to draw the arc. For the arc, I have used another block. What I have done is, I have used half circle program, I can say. So I have repeated it 5 times and I have used the turn block and move block and the arc is done. Let's see the output now. So you can see it is calling the vowel function. The block is highlighted here and the vowel 2 is highlighted here. So it is drawing the first vowel and the second vowel and for the arc. So bye bye friends, our smiley is ready. Keep smiling. Thanks for watching the video. I'm adding the links for vowel and circle programs in the description below.